Hey guys, it is your favorite channel and today we're bringing you the perfect summer snack, Aloo Bajji. It's like, perfect. It's a dream day for a kid. So why not celebrate it with the perfect food? So you're going to take 2 potatoes, peel them, and cut them into slices. Not very thin and not very thick, but thin enough that you can fry them without burning them. So now you're going to wash them in water and salt. I don't really understand the salt, but it's probably good. Because, if the recipe has it, you gotta follow. So we're just going to wash it. And then you're going to add 1 cup of basin into a gigantic pot. And you're going to add some chili powder for that flavor. Some salt, always. You're going to have some ajwain seeds for some more flavor. And baking soda. Then you're just going to give it a nice good mix. Of course, this doesn't really do anything. So we're going to add water to it. And boom. Now it's going to turn into like some sort of batter. And this is perfect. Just think of it as cake batter, but not for cake. You're going to add a bunch of oil into a pan and heat it. Then you're going to dip your potato into it and fry. Make sure to scrape it against the pan on one side because we still need to make sure that the potato cooks. Not completely, but just a thin layer of batter on the other side. So as you can see, there's a bunch of batter on one side and a little bit on the other so that that potato can still cook. And boom. Make sure to flip it so you can get it nice and crunchy. And when it starts turning golden brown, you can start taking it out. That is so golden, Perfect. So take it out and just let it cool for a while. I don't think you want to eat burning hot. So just let the potato chill. Again, in case you missed it, you're going to dip it one side, scrape the other, and throw it in the pan. And boom, there you go, your perfect snack. So good. Remember not to have like too much batter. It probably wouldn't cook then. But again, once it starts turning golden brown, take it out and enjoy. You can add any kind of seasoning to it, but yeah, like chopped masala, any other, it just tastes really good. And there you go. As you can see when I just rip it open, the potato is perfectly cooked along with everything else. So enjoy. Make sure to celebrate your vacation with this perfect snack. And like and share, comment, and subscribe. Bye.